having sound issues, for example, so maybe like sounds coming through the front speakers but not the rear speakers, or if the sound is like not coming out through at all and you have checked all the plugs and everything. Like another thing to check is just come into here into apps, car settings, and into amp info, because these settings here are actually going to talk directly to your factory car's DSPM, and these are the ones you need to change. So don't try to go into the DSP ones, which are here, which is the built-in chipset, because that's not going to do anything, because your car is like a factory amp. So you've got to go into car settings, so the amplifier. Check what these are on. These should basically be your fade, like front and back. So just check on these two if you have sound in the back or the front or one side, and maybe adjust for those. And then the other thing is your current or volume. You probably want this set between 30 and 50, because that sets the amps volume in relation to our head unit volume. So if you go through set for those, you can turn the amp switch on. That should be about everything. So that would just be something like troubleshooting if you not having any sound in our T series and you have a factory amp.